In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user groups in DocuSign. Whether you're managing a team or looking to streamline your DocuSign workflow, creating user groups can help organize your account more efficiently. Let's get started and break this process down into manageable and easy-to-follow segments. First, you'll want to navigate to the Admin tab in your DocuSign account. This tab is your gateway to a myriad of settings and customization options specifically designed for administrators, so make sure you're at the right access level to create and manage groups. Once you're comfortably situated within the admin settings, take a glance at the left panel. Here, you'll find various options for different configurations, but what we're focused on today is the Groups section. Go ahead and click on Groups. This will bring up a list of existing groups within your current account. If you've never created a group before, this area might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. The screen you see now is your hub for managing all user groups, so let's add a new one. To do this, look for the option labeled Add Group. It's usually pretty prominent, ensuring it's easy to find. Once you click on this option, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new group. Think carefully about what you want to call it, as a clear and concise name will help with organization later. After you've decided on a name, enter it into the provided field. When you're ready to proceed, just click on the Add button. And just like that, you've created a new user group in DocuSign. Pretty straightforward, right? Next on the agenda is assigning users to this newly created group. While this part might seem like a minor detail, it's actually crucial for making sure your group serves its intended purpose. By assigning users, you empower them to collaborate more effectively within the specific parameters you've set up for this group. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're setting up groups for different departments, roles, or projects, this simple process allows you to maintain an organized and efficient digital signature workflow. User groups can help tailor the DocuSign experience to meet your operational needs, streamline processes, and ensure everyone has the access they require. So, there you have it. Setting up user groups is not only straightforward, but also enhances the functionality of your team's digital signature practices. Now that you're familiar with the process, you can easily replicate it whenever your team grows or your organizational needs shift. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!